Just taking a brief video of Kate sowing her grass. She's definitely got the knack for it. Basically she just feeds invisible chickens. Eventually we will actually have chickens, and it won't just be her looking very sad and lonely. But it's going really well. I must admit, I'm actually impressed by how well it's going. I'm really loving the spread of elderflower at the back there. We've actually been making our own cordial this year, and if anyone's interested, please let us know. We can do a short video on how to make your own elderflower cordial. It's really easy. Kate's a bit of a natural, aren't you? Yeah. Does like a bit of cooking. She's been enjoying the house sit so far because of the substantial kitchen. So we've been having fresh homemade soup, we've had homemade pizzas. It's been kind of heavenly really, and on top of my job I've been eating really well, so it's good. So yes, it's mainly just getting on with bracken and just keeping on top of things. Myrtle's pulling a ridiculous face. What's up with you, Myrtle? What's up with you? Hey. Hey babes. So yeah, Myrtle's a bit of a mascot at the moment. She's enjoying being on the land. It's one of her favourite places. I'm also going to be putting some statues on here. I just thought it'd be really nice. I just feel like there should be like maybe a stone goddess there, or a woman with an urn or something just here. It just feels right. With all like the foxgloves coming up, I planted those. And we got the dahlias and the osteospermums right at the back. So that pink thing is an osteospermum. It just feels right to have something breaking up the outlines of things here. So yeah, we're going to have a bit of fun. We've also got to do a video a bit later showing the drill-powered water pump, because we want to pump some water up the hill. We're not entirely sure how successful it will be because of the steepness